This time we're supposed to find both intercepts. We're supposed to find x-intercept and y-intercept. Let me remind you one more time that anytime we talk about intercepts, we talk about points on x-axis and y-axis. So x-intercept is the point on x-axis which has coordinate x and 0, where x can be any real number and y coordinate is always equal 0. When we talk about the y-intercept, we talk about the point on y-axis which has always x coordinate equals 0 and y could be any real number. Now, so if you want to find the x-intercept, for example, from general form, you simply replace y by 0, because anytime we're looking for x-intercept, y must be equal 0. That's why I'm going to write 5x minus 4 times 0 plus 1 is equal 0. Negative 4 times 0 is 0, so I have 5x plus 1 is equal 0. So I have 5x equals negative 1. I move 1 to the right side of my equal sign, and in order to find x, I have to divide both sides equation by 5. 5 and 5 will cancel out, and I have x is equal negative 1/5. So this is my x-intercept. So I found x, I can find the point. Point is, as I said before, x is equal negative 1/5 and y coordinate is equal 0. So this is my x-intercept. Now, if you want to find y-intercept, you're supposed to get back to the general form and write 5x minus 4y plus 1 is equal 0. When we talk about y-intercept, x coordinate is always equal 0. That's why this time, instead of x, I'm going to write 0. So I have 5 times 0 minus 4y plus 1 is equal 0. So I have negative 4y equals negative 1. Okay, I just ignored 5 times 0 because 5 times 0 is equal 0, and I simply move 1 to the right side of the equal sign. In order to find y, I have to divide both sides equation by negative 4. Negative 4 and negative 4 will cancel out, and I have y is equal negative and negative will cancel out, and I have 1/4. So this is my y coordinate. And if you want to find the point, so keep in mind that the x coordinate is always equal 0 and y coordinate is equal 1/4, and this is my y-intercept. This is the solution, and this is the x-intercept solution, so we can say we solve the problem.